In this lecture we are going to see the how can we traverse the node tree, means DOM. How can we traverse a DOM? We all know that a DOM is a tree of nodes. Okay, so this is our main element, and in the main element contain four child element p1, p2, p3, p4. Okay, so if you want to get the first child element, means this, so how can we get that? So this is the we are getting main element, get element by id. Now if you want to take if you want to get the first element, we will be using this main dot first element child. Okay, now if I want the last element, I will be using dot last element child. Okay, and if I want the next element of first element, then I'll be using next sibling on first child element, because the relationship between this and this p1 and p2 is they are sibling. P1, P2, P3, P4 are sibling. So with reference to the first child element, I will be getting next element sibling. Same for previous. If I want to get the previous of p4, then it should be p3. So on the last child element, I will be calling previous element sibling. Then I will be getting the previous element sibling. If I want to get all the child children child nodes of the main, means all these four, then I will be using main dot children. In that I need to use for loop. Inside the for loop, I will be getting I can traverse all the elements one by one. Okay, let's see. I'll be clicking change to green. Okay, so we can see that get first element p1, get next element next sibling p2, get last child element p4, and the previous sibling p3. So back and forth we can traverse from top to bottom and left to right. Okay, we can traverse from first sibling to last sibling, and we can traverse from first child to last child. Okay, here we are using for getting the children's node. We can see here p1, p2, p3, p4. Okay,